I am using this watercolor brush of number 2. You can use any brush you have and just dip it in the water. Any color you like, you can use. Just more water. Let it dry for some time. Once it is completely dried, you can touch and check if it is dried or not. You will require some stencils like this. Now I am using black acrylic color. Once you are done, remove the masking tapes. Now your painting will look like this. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.